How to run one WhatsApp account on multiple devices. Let's consider the situation. You have two smartphones and you want to use your one WhatsApp account on both smartphones. By default, you can activate one WhatsApp account only on one device. If you try to activate it on another device, it will get automatically deactivated from the first device. So, is there any solution to run one WhatsApp account on two or more devices without rooting the smartphone? Yes, you can do it using the concept of WhatsApp Web. As you can also run two WhatsApp accounts on a single device. Let's see how. Run one WhatsApp account on two or more devices. Here we consider both desktop system, Windows, Mac OS, and smartphone devices, Android, iPhone. We will gonna use WhatsApp Web feature to make it possible to run your one WhatsApp on other devices at the same time. Let's check out one by one and know how you can run or activate one WhatsApp account on multiple devices. Here we are considering device 1, having our main WhatsApp account, and now we will run that WhatsApp account on device 2. Device 2 refers Android, iPhone, desktop OS. Tag method 1, using web browser. Step 1, open web browser, e.g. Google Chrome, in your device 2, Android, iPhone, and open web.whatsapp.com. It will automatically redirect you to www.whatsapp.com. Now tap on 3 vertical dot menu icon present on the right side of URL bar and select checkbox of Request Desktop Site option. It will take you to web.whatsapp.com automatically. Step 2. Now, open your main WhatsApp account on device 1 to go to 3 vertical dots menu icon to tap on WhatsApp Web. Step 3. It will open the scanning window on device 1. Now just scan the QR code shown on the browser of device 2. From device 1. That's it. On your device 2, you can see WhatsApp screen of your main WhatsApp account of device 1. From here you can also control your WhatsApp account. To work WhatsApp account on both devices must be connected with an active internet connection. Method 2. Using a WhatsCan app. You can also use any WhatsCan app to run WhatsApp account separately. One of the best app for this purpose is WhatsCan++ 2018. Just open Google Play Store in your device 2 and install WhatsCan++ 2018 app. On the welcome screen of this app, you will get QR code to scan. Scan it from your device 1 WhatsApp Web and you will get your main WhatsApp account on device 2. That's it. On Windows, Mac OS. If you want to run your WhatsApp account in your desktop computer, Windows OS, Mac OS, then you can also do it in 2 ways. Method 1. Using web browser. Method 2. Using WhatsApp application software. As browser is platform-independent tool, you can run WhatsApp on any browser on any operating system, Windows, Mac, by just visiting web.whatsapp.com. WhatsApp also provides software applications for the various platform. You can download it from its official website and run your WhatsApp account in it also.